So really, how does social media impact us as a culture at this point, as the human race at this point? We look at here we are, TikTok, FaceTime, Instagram, everything. List them all out. And what happens is that we are now at a place where people under the age of 30 especially will spend 8 to 10 to 12 hours a day in multitasking with electronic media, right? So you're watching TV, you got the computer going, you're doing stuff on your phone, all at the same time. So what does this do? Well, what it seems to be doing is, it seems to be improving human short-term memory, seems to be decreasing human long-term memory, and there's an impact of that in that critical thinking skills require us to have short-term memory, long-term memory, and then that rolls into critical thinking skills. So short-term memory is improving because we need to know where to find stuff. That's all. We offload all of our long-term memory to databases. We offload all of our long-term memory to Google searches. I don't need to remember the capital of whatever, or when it was founded, or who founded it. I don't need to know. I just Google it. So short-term memory, where do I find it? Find it at Google. What are the keywords? Got to remember those. Long-term memory, don't got to remember that. Just don't have to. But what happens is it impacts our critical thinking skills. So we become people that are run by our feelings rather than by our critical thinking skills. We're not thinking about the future. Well, if I do this, what will happen next? We don't do that. We just say, I feel like doing this. So politicians know this. Marketing companies absolutely know this. Look at the quality of the commercials, how much they drive your emotions. Just go buy something. And other businesses know this. How do we fight back from that? Hey, we got to actually do some things old school ways. Like read books. That's amazing. Read. Talk to people. Budget the time you do on your phone and on your computer. And that will really help your brain to shape and mold in a way that you have really good quality short-term memory, quality long-term memory, and quality critical thinking skills. I'm Doug. I'm with Calm Waves. We're the Brain Guys.